Temptations, and we've got Lisa Lesort here. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I am doing great. I said it's really hot.
We've been standing here waiting for you like, whoo, it's hot in here.
I ran across great stuff going on. You got the book, by the way.
We do. We have our cookbook, our holiday cookbook, which we only bring this time of year. Love that.
And then you're going to be chatting on our Facebook.
We're doing a Facebook watch party.
Whoa.
Oh, yes, we are.
Snap to that.
Yeah.
Well, especially, here's the thing.
What?
Not often, let's say the obvious. It's not often that you get free shipping and handling on everything Temptations.
We almost never get free shipping and handling on Temptations.
So today, pick it up at these sale prices, at these easy pays, and with free shipping and handling, and chat with Lisa on Facebook.
Yeah, that's right. Temptations by Tara Tesher. Come on over and do a Facebook watch with us.
Okay,
do it.
And you know what? Let's talk all about this, because this table is adorned with the most beautiful old world or floral lace 20-piece Basketweave Dinnerware Set. Now, we have it for you for the very first day ever at less than $50. 6 payments of $8.33 gets this set home to you. Free shipping and handling.
Woohoo!
It's a setting of 4 that you're getting here. And every single one of these is hand painted.
Absolutely. And it's our stoneware. So oven safe up to 500 degrees, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, microwave, everything you've been doing with Temptations for the last 17 years. Wow. Our dinnerware is included. One of the only times we've ever done a 5-piece service. So for service for 4, 5 pieces total. Starting with that beautiful coupe shape in our dinner plate, 10 inches. There's the floral lace detail, the basket weave, layer upon layer of sculptural detail. Then, as Alberti said, individually hand painted. As I start to layer that 7-inch salad or dessert plate, look at how beautiful the textures and style start to look. Then, of course, I'm going to layer in that bread plate, something we've never done before. We've included your bread plate or your little tidbit plate. Love that. We've also done our 16-ounce bowl. Remember, you're getting 4 of these. And then last but not least, we have never done a pedestal parfait cup.
Oh.
So also perfect for the holidays and every day. So these are your pieces that are going to take you from every day to holiday.
By the way, these are great for desserts. These are great for little soups. These are also great for maybe punch or cider or something like that. Delicious. All right, it's already very popular.
All right, let's
Floral
get to
Lace. If you want it, it's going quickly. Never seen before at this low of a price with this easy pay, free shipping and handling, H218-334.
So as we run through the colors, we have floral lace on the top of both tables, and then we'll take you down to the bottom and show you Old World. Okay? Here's our blue floral lace. And then we have our light blue floral lace.
Love light blue.
Beautiful. Red. This is your true holiday red in that floral lace. And then cranberry. Here we have your classic green, one of the colors that first started it all in the Temptations family, and followed by the eggplant. And then moving on over to the next.
I have fewer than 900 in the eggplant.
So we are not going to be redoing this set, as we talked about, and no plans to make a new Basketweave Dinnerware set.
I'll just say this. Pick up at least 2 sets. Then you have a set of 8. You always have them available for you.
That's absolutely right.
There you go.
Here's our chocolate, followed by our spice. Love the way the pop of color there and the color saturation. Here next door is your black.
Love that. Okay, let me give you an update. I have 600 to go around in that black. So if you want it, I know that's one of the most versatile, easy colors to mix in if you're just starting.
And then we have a handful of seasonal left. We have our, what we call our spring. That has our butterfly detail.
Unicorn.
Oh, I love that.
700 left in that. That's called spring.
Then this is what my mom has. This is our ocean fetty. I love that. Or sorry, our ocean, or summer.
Okay.
It has our seashells there, sorry.
Oh, 200 left in the ocean.
Well, once I got the name right, sure. Yeah. And then here we have what we call our fireworks. So that's that Americana patriotic.
Oh,
want to go Old World?
Yes, please.
Okay, Old World I know we're a little more limited in, but we have our blue. So classic color, if you love that European style, perfect.
700 left in that blue.
Cranberry.
There's your cranberry.
There's your holiday red. Look how beautiful that